There's nothing quite like reconnecting with nature. Regardless of the season or part of the world you live in, just to step outside of the hustle bustle of every day enables you to reconnect with your inner self. People will often make the analogy with water, because water flows in a certain direction. You can divert it, try and redirect it, but ultimately it lets you know which direction it should really go in. And when it comes to yourself, when you listen to yourself, you know what feels right. You don't go against your gut or your intuition. You're like water. It makes sense to learn to go with the flow. You know what this means inside yourself, because your emotions are a gauge for alignment. When you feel good, you're in the right place. And if you aren't feeling good, then that's an invitation to make new choices.